Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine. We are here with our lecture number 8 of unit number 3. The name of our unit 3 is Healthy Habits. Dear students, we have already completed this unit in the previous two lectures. So in this lecture, we will complete the exercise. Dear students, in this lecture, we will check our knowledge for unit number 3, that is healthy habits. We have learnt in this unit that we all need food to live. And food gives us energy and keeps us healthy. We have also learned this that it is important to keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. And there are ways of protecting ourselves from diseases. Students, please open page number 21. Here you can see the exercise of unit number 3. And question number 1 is, choose the correct answer. We will be given different statements along with the options. So we will read the statement carefully and out of the options we will select the correct answer. So let's start with statement number 1. Which of these foods is from an animal? A carrot, egg, lettuce, mushroom. So dear students, we have to find that out of these 4 options, which food is from animals. So carrot, lettuce and mushroom, they are from the plants. So the correct answer is egg is from the animal. Students, statement number 2 is, which of these is not a way of keeping your body clean? कि इन ऑप्शंस में से कौन सी बात जो है वो जिसका ताल्लुक बॉडी को क्लीन करने से नहीं है डायरेक्ट. वी आर गिवन द ऑप्शंस: ब्रशिंग योर टीथ, वॉशिंग योर फेस, ईटिंग योर डिनर, हैविंग अ बाथ. सो brushing your teeth, washing your face and having a bath. All these 3 are related to keeping your body clean. So the option which is not a way of keeping your body clean is eating your dinner. So the correct answer out of these 4 options is eating your dinner. Statement number 3. Which of the following can cause illness? इनमें से कौन सी बात से हम बीमार हो सकते हैं? A. Eating lots of unhealthy food. B. Eating without washing hands. C. Drinking dirty water. And D. All of the above. अब dear students, ए में है ईटिंग लॉट ऑफ अनहेल्दी फूड. अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा अनहेल्दी फूड खाते हैं तब भी इट कैन कॉज इलनेस, इससे भी हम बीमार हो सकते हैं. बी ऑप्शन ईटिंग विदाउट वॉशिंग हैंड्स, अगर हम हाथ धोए बगैर खाएंगे तब भी इट कैन कॉज इलनेस. सी ड्रिंकिंग डर्टी वाटर, अगर हम गंदा पानी पीते हैं उससे भी इट कैन ऑल्सो कॉज इलनेस. इसका मतलब है कि ये सारी ही ऑप्शन से इलनेस हो सकती है. सो वी विल चूज the fourth option, that is all of the above. That is the correct answer. Statement number 4. Which of the following is good for your health? Dear students, इन चारों ऑप्शंस में से आपकी हेल्थ के लिए, आपकी सेहत के लिए क्या चीज अच्छी है? A. Fresh air. B. Exercise. C. Rest. Dear student, and the fourth one is all of the above. कि ये सारी ही बातें हमारी सेहत के लिए अच्छी हैं. फ्रेश एयर, एक्सरसाइज और रेस्ट करना, तो ये बात तो बिल्कुल ठीक है. ये सारी चीज़ें ही हमारी सेहत को अच्छा रखती हैं. सो वी विल चूज ऑप्शन डी, all of the above. Statement number 5 is, which of the following protects us from getting a disease? इनमें से कौन सी बात है जिससे जो हमें बीमारी से महफूज रख सकती है? ऑप्शन ए, staying indoors, घरों के अंदर ही रहना. बी, eating healthy food and staying clean. C, avoiding vaccination. And D, not taking a bath. So चारों ऑप्शंस में से जो ऑप्शन जिससे हम बीमारी से बच सकते हैं, स्टेइंग इनडोर, घरों में अगर हम रहें लेकिन हेल्दी हैबिट्स अडॉप्ट ना करें तो उसका तो फ़ायदा कुछ नहीं है. बी, ईटिंग हेल्दी फूड एंड स्टेइंग क्लीन. हाँ, ये लग रहा है कि करेक्ट हो सकता है, क्योंकि सी है अवॉइडिंग वैक्सीनेशन, कि अगर जर्म्स अटैक कर गए, आप बीमार हो गए और आप वैक्सीनेशन नहीं लेंगे तो फिर तो वो ठीक नहीं होगी, वो प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करेगी फिर हमें, अगर हम लेंगे नहीं. और नॉट टेकिंग अ बाथ, कि हम बात भी नहीं लें, अगर बात नहीं लेंगे तो फिर तो डिजीज़ से हम प्रोटेक्ट नहीं हो सकते हैं. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, eating healthy food and staying clean. So students, this was our question number 1. Dear students, now we are going to start our question number 2 on page number 21. Are you ready? Okay, the question is, unjumble the letters and use them to fill in the blanks. We will be given the statement, and at the end of the statement in the bracket we will be given jumbled letters. We will read the statement and understand the statement carefully, and we will try to guess what that word can be. So let's start with the statement number 1. Number 1. Food is like fuel. Food gives our bodies dash. Do you recall something? Remember, we have learnt about this, that the food gives our bodies what? Absolutely right. Energy. Food is like fuel and food gives our bodies energy. Statement number 2. Dash food makes us strong and healthy. Which food makes us strong and healthy? We are given the clue. In the bracket, the letters are E, F, H, R, S. Just think about this, what this word can be. Absolutely right. Fresh food makes us strong and healthy. Fresh. Statement number 3. We should dash every day to stay healthy. We should do dash every day. What should we do every day to stay healthy? In the bracket, the jumbled letters are C, E, 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 I, R, S, X. Can you guess what this word is? Absolutely right, exercise. So we should exercise every day to stay healthy. Well done, students. You did a great job. Dear students, now we are going to do our question number 3 on page number 22. And the question is, cross out things you should not do. जो चीज़ें हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए, we will put a cross for them. लेकिन जो चीज़ें हमें करनी चाहिए, which are good habits, we will put tick against them. So let's start doing that. Number 1 is, wash your hands before meals. क्या खाने से पहले हमें हाथ धोने चाहिए? Yes, this is a very good habit. We should do it. So we will put a tick. Number 2. Spit on the floor. क्या फर्श पे थूकना चाहिए? This is very bad habit. We should never do it. So we will put a cross. Number 3. Go to bed late. क्या हमें देर से सोना चाहिए? Not at all. It's not a good habit. Number 4. Have a bath every day. क्या हमें रोज नहाना चाहिए? Yes, absolutely right. Number 5. Have long nails. क्या हमें अपने नाखून बड़े रखने चाहिए? Not at all. We should keep our nails short. So we will put a cross. Number 6. Brush your teeth every day. This is a very good habit. All of us should brush our teeth every day, and we should brush our teeth twice a day, especially before going to bed. Make it your habit. So we will put a tick. So remember what good habits we have to adopt and what we should not do. Take care. Dear students, now we are going to complete our question number 5 on page number 22. Look at the pictures below and identify all the unhealthy habits of the children. Students, we see that in many students, they have unhealthy habits. Let's see some of the unhealthy habits in these pictures. Picture number 1. We see that a boy is wearing dirty clothes. This is very unhealthy habit, wearing dirty clothes. We should not wear dirty clothes. Our dressing should be very neat and clean. Picture number 2. A boy is eating something and watching TV as well. Watching TV while eating is not a healthy habit. We should avoid doing this, otherwise we don't get the idea how much we are eating and our digestion is disturbed. Picture number 3. We can see a boy is eating something and flies are all around and resting on his food as well. So the unhealthy habit is eating at a dirty place. We should not eat at the place which is dirty. Our surroundings should be very neat and clean. Picture number 4. We can see a boy is eating many junk foods. He is eating biscuits and chips and some chocolates. So it's also a very unhealthy habit eating junk food. So we should avoid eating too much junk food. Dear students, fun page. On page number 24, we have a question. Label the diagram below with the names of the body part. Students, you must be remembering that in unit number 1, we already have talked about all body parts. Here we will label the body parts and you will have to learn these. So let's start. Ear, eyes, nose, neck, hand, arm, leg, foot. So it was all about this fun page, but you will have to learn by heart these parts of the body. Dear students, I hope that the lecture was helpful to you. If you have any query, please don't hesitate to write in the comment box. Stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.